Okay, so were you able to read through that stuff?
Yeah, I did. Okay, so let's see. Continuing the quiz. Where did we leave off? We left off, I think, on question. We were talking about like the standard deviation. So question 9. What is the standard deviation of a P sample?
Uh-huh.
Let's see. What's the information in there? Oh, wait, no. We already got that one. We left off on question 11, 12. Oh, gosh. Yeah, 12. 12 was the last one we were working on. We were looking at for the z-score. But did you feel comfortable with the answers for 10 and 11?
Let's see. I just opened it again.
Oh, okay. Because it's the, gosh dang it, I need to build those formulas onto Excel and use that. I'm going to do that right now, or at least start. Okay. So, how do you do a standard or the square root function for Excel? Do you
just do equals SQ and it'll come up. It's
okay.
SQRT.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. So that'll square the rest of the formula.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Okay. So then it's P times 1 minus P over sample size for the standard deviation of the P sample. So let's see. Let's see where we at. So batting average is 0.3. We will determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at-bats. Okay, so 0.3 minus 1. Okay, wait just a second, sorry.
No, you're fine.
Get this thing up here. So 0.3, no, first. Yeah, 0.3 multiplied by 1 minus 0.3 divided by, let's see, n is 100 in this case, I think. N 100? Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and then close parentheses. Yes. Okay, yeah, so, oh, you were right, actually, and my calculator was kind of off earlier today, so it is 0.046.
Oh, okay, great. Yeah, that's what Excel had said.
Yeah. All right, so definitely go with that. Okay. So then what is the z-score on that? It's basically, so we have the standard deviation. So the standard deviation, so we do the value minus the mean over what we just barely computed. So the value in this case was 0.3 equals 0.3. Oh, by the way, so as far as, so I looked at mine wrong. I got graded on everything that I submitted. It was my bad. I didn't put your name down when I submitted our group meetings. I didn't put your name down as part of my group, as part of the group. So, yeah, he said that if you'll just email him and tell him which ones they were, he'll go ahead and give you the grade for that.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, sorry about that. So I'll make sure I do that. Okay, value. So then the mean. What was the mean? What was the mean? The mean was
0.3.
I think 0.3 was the value. was like just the regular p. The regular p is like the population mean, and then like the p hat thing is like the sample mean.
Oh, okay.
Well, just looking at, let's see real quick over here in the textbook. We got yeah, that's the way it is. Yeah. So then it'd be 0.3 minus, and then the mean. I'm just trying to figure out what the mean was.
Well, according to the textbook, it says that the mean is just normal p. So I think it would be the 0.3, right?
So they're both 0.3?
Well, no, the value is the p hat, which is 0.35. I'm looking at it's underneath 3.3 probability calculations for a sample proportion. It has the
Yeah.
you see, so z equals value minus mean over standard deviation.
Oh, wow, that's weird. Let me think about like. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, you're okay. Yeah, you're totally right. Oof, I had to check that. So then, well, in that case, what was this thing talking about, right? Okay, no, never mind. No, yeah, that makes sense. I just thought maybe it made the last answer wrong, but it doesn't. So we're good there. Okay. So then, what's the value then in this case?
The value I think is 0.35.
Oh yeah,
That
that's right.
corresponds with p hat.
Yeah.
So I
That's
think
right.
the z score is 1.091.
Let's see. 0.35 minus 0.3 divided by 0.046. You say is 1.089?
I have 1.091.
1.091. Okay. I got 1.087 for some reason. So I just did 0.35 minus 0.3 over the standard deviation.
Okay.
Did I get the two piece mixed up?
Maybe. I'm looking at my formula again, and I think it's all right.
Okay.
If not, we can just when we submit it, if my answer doesn't work, then we'll try yours.
Because in the textbook it shows the p hat minus the p, and so yeah, that's what I did.
Okay.
Well, I guess we'll find out. Awesome.
Okay, so now as far as plugging that z-score into the probability applet, so I put 1.091 into the probability applet. Which area do you think will shade?
It said, what is the probability in the question they asked earlier up? What's the so it would probably be to the right because we're trying to find the probability that she will get more than 35 hits.
So just the area to the right?
Yeah.
Not the middle? Okay, that's what I was thinking. So it'd be 0.1376. And so to 3 decimal places, I guess 0.138.
0.138.
Yeah, it was 1376. So
Oh yeah. Is that for question? That's
question 13.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Alrighty. And let's see the next one. If the true proportion of people who support a political candidate is 0.52, and if 2,000 people are surveyed, we want to determine the probability that the results of the survey will suggest the candidate is losing the election. Oh. That's okay. So let's see, standard deviation of P again.
So the standard deviation, I've got an answer, but how about you plug yours in and we'll see if it matches up.
Sure. Let's see. Oh man, it's X over N, right?
For the
mean. For P hat.
For P hat, it is, I think the P hat is just going to be
The 52. No.
the 50%. It's just going to be 0.50 because it says in parentheses getting less than 50% of the votes.
That's true. Okay. Cool, thanks.
Yep.
All right, so, and then it'd be 0.5 divided by 2,000. That's a really small number. So yeah, I got 0.00025.
For the standard deviation?
No, for the standard deviation. Dang, sorry, dude. Okay.
Oh, you're fine.
Okay. Yeah. All right, let's do that. Jeez. So it's equal square. Okay, square root of 0.5 minus 0.52. 0.52. Okay, divided by 2,000. All right. Oh, stupid. What did I do wrong? Gosh dang it. Okay, so basically it's going to be 0.52 times 0.5 minus 0.52 divided by 2,000, right?
I think so. I just put it into my spreadsheet. But yeah,
Sorry,
I think you're right.
Okay, I put it in there and it came out with a number or whatever, hashed that weird thing. Okay.
Oh, right.
So 0.52 times 0.5 minus 0.52. 52 divided by 2,000. So that was the sample size. Yeah, I did it again. What the heck? Let's see, what did I do different there? Okay, it works. I don't see. Okay, why is it not doing that? All right, I don't see why it's not working out. That is really weird.
It's just not.
Yeah, it's not
working.
Let me try this again. Okay. Oh, I made a mistake. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Square root and 0.52 minus 0.52 divided by 2,000. Okay, now I got 0.012 or a 0.0112.
Yeah, so 0.011.
Okay, yeah, that's right.
And then I've got 15 and 16, I think.
Okay.
So I just had it built into my Excel sheet.
Okay.
So 15, I have negative 1.79.
All right, here, I'll check real quick. So you just took, so let's see, it was 0.52 minus, no, 0.5 minus 0.52 over, let's see, 0.011. So, I'm sorry, so you said you got minus 1.89?
Negative 1.79.
Negative 1.79.
Yeah.
Huh. Maybe I got them switched. Did you do 0.5 minus 0.52 or the other way around?
So I have 0.5 minus 0.52 over the square root of 0.52 times 1 minus 0.52 over 2,000.
Oh, okay. Can't we just take the standard deviation from the previous problem and just use that? Or is am I using the wrong formula?
From the previous problem? No, it should be the same formula, just you'll put different values in.
Okay. 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 All right. I get how it goes now. Sorry, dude. I should freaking know this. So I studied.
No, you're fine.
Okay.
So what's your Excel sheet saying?
The numerator is correct now. So then what I need to do is, so the numerator, so the denominator should be square first off. Should be square point 52 times, let's see. Oh yeah, okay, so yeah, 0.52 times 1 minus 0.52. Minus 2 over 2,000. Okay, yeah, I got the same answer you got now. All right, cool.
Okay, awesome. And then if you plug that in to the applet, you'll get 0.037.
Okay.
Okay, and then I just submitted mine actually, and the only one that we missed is question 7.
Okay. Well, let's see. What was that?
That was the one we talked about earlier today. That it was my idea to put 4, but that's wrong.
Okay.
I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah, I don't remember them covering that. Find the probability. Blah. Let me see. How's the question phrased? If P equals 1/4, what is the smallest n that satisfies the requirement? Okay. All right. Just looking. Maybe I'll find it. There's there's this thing down at 3.2 where they talk about applying the central limit theorem to a sample proportion. So like they're talking about because that's P, not P hat.
Yeah, it's asking about P.
Yeah, it's stupid. I don't see anything that I don't even remember them covering that.
Well, if we can't find anything, I'm fine with the grade we got. If that's the only
Yeah.
thing we miss. Let's see.
I'll go talk to Brother Bennett again, just because that's annoying. Like they should have told us. I doubt he'll give us a grade for it, but I mean, it's
Well,
worth a shot.
I bet it's in here somewhere. Like I would imagine that it's somewhere tucked away in the reading.
Uh huh.
But I'm not seeing it, and I don't care to spend 10 minutes digging for it at this point.
Okay.
I mean, unless you want to, then I'll help you.
No, that's okay. No problem. Um. Alrighty. Well, sweet. Now I'm gonna make sure I do this right, so I'll include your name and it's part of the group when I submit this, and
Okay.
so yeah. Um. So yeah, I guess if you just email him, um, then he'll give you the grade for the last 5 group projects.
Okay. Awesome. Well, thanks so much, Daniel. Thanks for being a trooper and meeting this late.
Yeah, no problem, dude. Like, sorry that it happened like this. But from now on, like, we'll definitely meet in the morning. Okay, that's.
Well,
Oh,
do,
tomorrow. That's
do we
tomorrow.
want to meet tomorrow? Yeah.
Uh, do you want to meet tomorrow?
I'm fine with it. I'm also, if we both prepare
Yes.
well, because which I haven't done a super good job of recently, but if we both prepare well, then I think if we met at 11:25 on Thursday, we can get it done fast. But
Uh-huh.
today we just didn't prepare. At least I didn't prepare very well.
I mean, I can prepare tomorrow. I don't have class till like a quarter to 1. So I
Okay,
can.
so do you want to just meet at 10 then?
Okay, sure.
Okay,
Cool. Yeah, that'll give me
awesome.
plenty of time to prepare.
Okay, perfect. Well, I'll see you tomorrow morning then.
All right, Brady. You too.
Okay, thanks, Daniel.
Uh-huh. Okay. Good night. Point 037. What the hell happened right there? Not cool. 175 my arse. Well, I was caught swearing on this video. Alright.